Hi everyone, it's me, Plantain Charlene, and I'm here to do a non-unboxing unboxing video. But before I start, if this is your first time to my channel, welcome. Hello, how are you? And I hope that you like what you see. Hopefully you'll subscribe, like, comment, whatever it is, hit the bell, no pressure. If it's not your first time, welcome back. And again, hope you enjoyed this video as well. I am here because I received my first box from my prescription from Mountain Crest after about 6-7 months of putting my stuff on pause, just kind of skipping through the fall and winter months. And it's funny because I actually meant to skip this month too. I said I would start again in April, and I forgot, and therefore I ended up receiving my package, but I'm very happy with what I have. It's been a while. So in the packaging came, let me start here, was this booklet, and it has a discount code. If somebody wants to use that discount code, please go ahead and use it. I don't use them because I am on the monthly prescription. So I keep saying prescription and it's subscription. Anyway, I'm on a monthly subscription with them. So if you want to use that discount code at Mountain Crest Gardens, please go ahead. I'll read it out loud just in case. And it's TY10Q1. T is in Tom, Y is in yellow, 10Q as in quality, and 1. 10% off. Every penny counts. That's how I see it. And inside this video, this is not a video of my hand, it's a booklet. Inside this booklet is some very valuable information. You see, it's a thank you, let's get started. They tell you about your succulent care tips, succulent cuttings, winter care, summer care. There's some stuff over here as well, but this is about cactus care and air plants, and that's not what this is. Then they even break down what succulent is right for you. Now this is new. They didn't have this when I decided to open up a subscription with them back in, I think, the summer or spring of last year. So this is really cool. This is really, really cool. It really does explain a lot of stuff there. So I'm going to hold on to this. They also provided a booklet. Oh, okay. Now that's funny because before they would be separated. This is the first time they were all together. So it gives me, I'll do it this way. It gives me a picture of my succulents. Okay, and then on the other side, it tells you the name and how to care for it. Sorry. All right. So I'm going to, per picture, I'm going to separate these and show you each plant. So the first one is Director Jacobs, which is this one. Look at how good that looks. Isn't that pretty? And it has a pup coming out. So that's a good look. The second is Pink Lemonade. Can you see that? Pink Lemonade. Look at Pink Lemonade. Looks very much like the picture. This one also has some pups. Okay, look at that nice little pup right there. Okay. Next is Pacific Blue Ice. There's that baby. Again, looks very much like the picture. I love it. That one has two pups coming out that I can see. And then last but not least is Sebenese, if I'm saying that right. And look at that. Look at all the pups on this one. Do you see that? That's really, really nice. And one additional, when you're a part of this subscription, which I believe is $19.95 a month, I believe that $19.95 covers shipping. You pay tax, and then they have an additional option of $3 for the heat and pack. Now, like I said, I opened this stuff already. So they give you a bonus succulent, and they never tell you that what it is. Just like your other plants, you don't know what you're going to receive. It's a surprise. I believe in 1 year they say you will never get the same plant again. Like they have so many options. They can give you 4 different plants every month in a year without giving you the same plant again. Plus you get this bonus. Look at that. Isn't that cute? And it's 2 plants in this little sucker. And this is never the same as well. This is always new. So it's pretty much 5 plants a month. And within a 12-month period, you will not receive the same plant. I appreciate that. Sometimes you want the same plant, sometimes you don't. So that's it there, guys. I have my 4 plants and my bonus. I think this is so cute. Look at the color on the tips. Isn't that cool? I'm going to plant this, and I have something to plant this in. It's a nice little terracotta pot that's about this big. Yay me, yay. So I hope you like this video. I hope you will want to subscribe, watch more of my other videos, and comment. I try to get as much assistance as possible from all of you out there that love plants as well. So keep planting, keep growing. Have a great day. Thank you for watching. Bye. So I forgot to mention that with the subscription, you get this brush, and it's meant to help you get any of the dirt off of the plants here. It pretty much comes almost every time you receive a new box. So you may have a lot of brushes in the end. It's on you. You can give them away. You can use them. You can do whatever you want with it. But it does help when I do have a new plant, a new box that comes and the soil is all over the place. But this was one of those beautiful times that I didn't have to worry about that. So, just letting you know.